Hi, Dobby the Fixing Elf here, and in today's video I'll show you how to change the side repeater on a 2011 C4 Grand Picasso. The first step is to remove the plastic bezel underneath the wing mirror. I use a small pry bar for this. You can also use a small flat bladed screwdriver. Just be careful, the tabs underneath can be quite brittle. There's 4 in total, just work it around as you see me doing here and it will pop off. The next step is to remove the connector from the wiring harness. This is quite a simple job, just lift up the tab and pop it off as you see me doing here. They can be a bit tricky as they can sometimes get stuck. Just remember to be careful with the connector. I'm going to try and keep this video as close to the real time as possible. But once you have the connector off, just squeeze the metal tabs on the back of the repeater unit and push it out the front. While these units do have a bulb inside them, I have been informed that they are actually a sealed unit and you cannot replace the bulb without heating and mounting the glue that holds it in, so it will be a replacement unit for this. The next step is to reattach the bezel to the car. This simply pushes back on and clicks into place, just like you see me do here. Just be careful to make sure you have the wire pushed through the hole so it doesn't get pinched in the clips. Once you've done that, you can move on to replacing the unit itself, starting with reconnecting the connector to the new unit. Again, just be careful with the connector here. And then the next step is to reattach the whole unit back to the car by pushing it into the hole. As I said, it's just a matter of pushing the connector through the hole. Just making sure it's the right way around. Quick spin here and it's the right way around. Just push it in and you'll hear it click into place. And here's just a bit of footage of the side repeater working. As you can see, it works perfectly fine. If you enjoyed this video, why not drop a like? Any questions or feedback? Let me know in the comments. I normally drop 2 videos a week, so if you haven't subbed to the channel yet, you should, and then you'll never miss another video. Do you know anyone else who would enjoy watching this video? Then feel free to share it with them. Thanks for watching until the end. Have a sensational day.